Pak, lihat Pak.
Iya, kamu aja.
Jadi mana ya Pak?
Ini ya, harus ini memang harus.
Saya ini aja cuma.
Nomor 16.
Minggir Pak. Mbak, nggak kelihatan nih Mbak. Pak, tunjuk Pak, jempol Pak.
Pak Bibi. Ibu.
Ya, cukup. Ya. Makasih.
Pakai hitung tidak.
Kalau mau ya tinggal.
Oi. Aku nih. Ini go.
Yeah, I don't know exactly what it means if Jakarta is reporting 47% or 45% and East Timor is reporting 86%, then we have a fundamental difference in information here. And we have as an organization no way of assessing who has the real numbers. Now maybe today's actual vote count will give a better idea of whose numbers were correct. But that's a very dangerous I think that's a very dangerous precedent for the upcoming referendum. There has to be clear numbers beforehand on how many people have actually registered, or else you can't get a general idea of whether or not the voting is really even, in some sense, legitimate.
Nomor 11 PDI Perjuangan. Sah. Nomor 11 PDI Perjuangan. Sah. Sah. Perjuangan sah. PDI Perjuangan sah. 11 PDI Perjuangan sah. PDI Perjuangan sah.
Result because we have received confirmation from the both government Austria and Swiss that they are going to assist our government to detect and to reveal the funds and assets of the Suara and his family in Austria and Swiss. And there is we
Karena itu kan kurang etis kalau saya sendiri.